Hey guys, I want to show you how to install the MPCForces-Extractor on a fresh system so that you exactly know what to do. Now, if you don't have Python installed at all, I would strongly recommend you to install the Miniconda version. It comes with the necessary packages you would like to have, but it's not overloaded like a full Anaconda installer. So Miniconda, for me, it's the way to go. And you can just download the installer here, and I have done that already. So I can just simply install that. And while we're at it, we can now think about what will be coming. What are the next steps? So next steps is simply to just go onto the MPCForces-Extractor page. This link should also be in the description. And this takes you to this page. I already downloaded the test files. We'll be using those. And this is a fresh system, right? So it's Windows 10. It's just installed. It's a virtual machine. And it's also a very good practice to do a fresh install on a system and see if it works. Because sometimes you have dependencies already installed on your machine. And yeah, then it works on your machine, but it doesn't on others. So that's always a good idea to test that. All right, so Anaconda is installed. So when you have that, you can just go into the Anaconda prompt. This is where you do your installs, and also you could also create virtual environments, but I will just be using the base one here, will not create a separate one. And yeah, you just copy this here, and then you go to the prompt, right click to paste, and enter. Now this should install all the things necessary. Yeah, for MPCForces-Extractor to work. And yeah, it should be the 0.1.7.3 version. Hopefully that worked with the publishing. But we will see that in a minute. Okay, and after that, we can just start the tool with this command here, like MPCForces-Extractor. Just can copy that too. And yeah, so let's just wait for the install to finish. Yeah, all right. So you see that installed everything, and MPCForces-Extractor is indeed 0.1.7.3. Yeah, as it should be. Now, right click to paste again and enter, and hopefully it works. If I have installed everything correctly, this should work. And yeah, you see, now you are here. Pay attention to that. You see, you were here in the test user, and this will be the home directory where also the files will be placed. So let's just give this a try and run it. So I will say select the FEM file. So I go to downloads and select this one. Select also the MPC Forces file and click on run. So it seems to have run successfully. I can go to the MPCs, to the nodes. That all seems good. But now pay attention to that this also placed some data into your home directory. So there should be something like a data folder, yeah. And you have here the output this is the DB file. You see, you don't see the extensions because that's hidden. Sorry, I'll shortly do that. Yeah. So better a few, I think. So db.db is there, and you also have the uploads, which is uploading the FEM and MPC Forces file as soon as you hit those buttons here. So basically, that's how it's working. Now, if you were in another folder, right? So for example, cannot do the copy C to. Okay, that was not what I wanted. Okay, sorry, I will just have to close that. So if you would be in another folder, right, you could do something like make dir a test and then cd test. So you're in the test folder itself. And then you would, for example, also run the tool there. Oh, sorry. And we will do the same thing once more. Or maybe in this case, yeah, we will do the same thing once more. You will see then that it created the data folder now in this test folder. So you can by choosing where you start this program from, you can also choose where the safe location will be for your uploads and your output folder. All right, that's it. I hope this helps if you wanted to install that. Yeah, and if there's anything going wrong, just shoot me a message and we'll fix that. All right, have a good one. Bye, guys.